Hello everybody, Andrew Undum with the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Today I'm in Locust Point at 1226 Cooksie Street. This is 3-bed, 2.5 bath, off-street parking, 2-tier rooftop deck, wide with the most incredible kitchen and primary suite. It's the biggest walk-in closet in Locust Point. We can't wait to show you inside. Come on in. Immediately upon entering 1226 Cooksie Street, you're greeted by the wide open floor plan. Large coat closet perfectly placed, plantation shutters letting in tons of natural light. It's a super wide floor plan, much wider than a traditional Baltimore City row home. And one thing I love about this place is the amount of storage. Not counting the enormous walk-in closet, there's storage underneath the steps, a walk-in pantry in your kitchen, and it's a true open concept. Notice the full dining room setup and then a world-class chef's kitchen, Wolf appliances, high-end granite countertops, a unique island setup here, and it flows right back to your oversized parking pad, almost a 2-car pad out here, easy in and out in a walk-in pantry. If the abundant cabinetry is not enough, full-size, custom built-in walk-in pantry. That is unique in Baltimore City. Upstairs on the second level, 2 full beds, including the primary, and then the third floor with an additional bedroom, another wet bar, family room, and access to your 2-tier rooftop deck. Let's go check it out. Here we are on the second floor in the primary bedroom's walk-in closet. This is literally the best walk-in closet, perhaps in all of downtown, certainly in Locust Point. Custom built-ins everywhere. You can't get away from just tons of storage space, so much closet space. There's just awesome features everywhere in this walk-in closet. I've been walking for a minute, I'm still in it. And it bleeds right in to the primary suite. Frameless glass, custom inlays, herringbone design. This was a new project for the homeowner. They did a beautiful job. Dueling shower heads, dueling vanities, all high-end and consistent materials throughout. And then it goes right in to the bedroom. This whole thing is the primary suite. You have a tray ceiling, king-size bed, tons of natural light from the second floor front of the house. Follow that back with me. Bedroom, bathroom, and your walk-in closet. I can't stress enough how lucky the next owner of this home is gonna be to have this much closet space, a bathroom like that, in a primary bedroom suite. Before we go upstairs to the third floor where the second full bath is and wet bar and additional family room, full-size laundry area here on the second floor, second zone HVAC, and the other bedroom on the second floor, which is staged as a nursery. And this was actually featured in Baltimore Magazine as just one of the most picturesque nurseries in all of Baltimore City. It's right here at 1226 Cooksie Street. When you come see this house in person, you're gonna fall in love. Welcome to the third floor of 1226 Cooksie. My favorite floor of the house, wet bar, cabinets, access to the 2-tier rooftop deck, and it's actually a very usable 2-tier deck. We'll go up there. But also up here on the third floor is your third bedroom, and it's a big bedroom. Every bedroom's got nice lighting in it, and this one's its own suite. It has its attached full bath, its own closet. It almost could be another primary bedroom with an ensuite. Let's check out the rooftop deck. Welcome to your rooftop deck. As I mentioned, it's a usable 2-tier deck. You have a spiral staircase that goes up to the rooftop, but you have this here first. Notice the setup. You're surrounded by other brand new construction garage townhomes, Bozzuto built Alta 47 right here. But this is an end unit that has so much to offer. It's rare to have this much outdoor living space. Oversized parking pad out back, deck off the third floor, and a rooftop. Clearly, this isn't just any old rooftop deck. This is a big one. You have a Duradeck roof system meant to be lived on, tons of space, Domino Sugar Factory behind me, downtown skyline. I'm looking at Silo Point this way. If you're interested in well over 2,300 square feet, a wide home with easy off-street parking, an incredible kitchen, and an even more impressive primary suite with an incredible walk-in closet, frameless glass shower, you need to come check out 1226 Cooksie. You're gonna love living in Locust Point. Contact me, Andrew Undum, or anybody at the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. We look forward to showing you more inside.